गाइस, वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। माय नेम इज़ सहयोग और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल इची हाइकर। आज हम हैं नीस में, लोकेटेड ऑन द फ्रेंच रिवियरा, द सदर्न ईस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ फ्रांस ऑन द मेडिटेरेनियन सी एट द फुट ऑफ द फ्रेंच एल्प्स। तो आज हम देखेंगे द ब्यूटीफुल स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ नीस और यहाँ का बीच। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड वॉच द एंटायर व्लॉग अंटिल द एंड। थैंक यू गाइस। Hey guys, we had an amazing time in Monaco, in Monte Carlo, and now we are going to Nice, the second city on this trip. And so we've seen some valleys, a castle, the beach, and amazing views here. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, Sunrise to Sunset. Please click on the bell button so that you can get the videos. And also click on the like button, please. Thank you so much, and have a good night. Take care. Bye bye. Hi guys, good morning. We are in Nice. That's my roommate.
What's up?
And the other roommate is here. So these are my roommates for the 2 days in France. And that's my backpack there. And this is our small room where we are staying, 3 of us. And I'll show you the view.
Sorry.
Can you see the view?
We came in one of those jets.
Yeah. So we came in one of those private jets right there outside. And as you can see the view, yeah. Those are the jets there. We came in one of those jets. Just
Everyone
kidding.
came in one.
Just kidding. So that's the view.
Because
So today we are going to Saint-Tropez. How is it called? Cannes or Cannes?
Come.
Cannes? Yeah, we're going to Saint-Tropez, Cannes, and then Eze, right? That's the village.
Ez.
The village is called Eze. So we're traveling to these 3 places today, and we won't have enough time for Nice, but I'll show you all the other 3 places. So let's wait for the bus to start. So we'll go down. The bus will start at 9 a.m. And yeah, the streets are beautiful. It reminds me of Barcelona. I don't know if I can show you a clear view. I'll go outside and show you a bit of Nice. Hey guys, we are in Nice, and as I promised you, this is how Nice looks like. And as you can see, the beautiful streets. The beautiful trees here. And it's so hot. It's 27 degrees, and I cannot believe the weather. It's amazing. I'm wearing a white shirt. There's nothing, no jacket, no umbrella. I've kept my umbrella in the other bag in the hotel for the first time. And I'm with my Crocs, as you can see. I'm with my Crocs. So the weather is really good. And they're here. And this is my friend Dimitar.
Hey, what's up, man?
Dimitar Berbatov. And
Manchester United.
and hello. She's the lady. That's my friend. So we're going to explore Nice for an hour or 45 minutes because we have to take the bus at 10. So thank God we have 1 hour to explore Nice. Let's take a walk. Lying to her office colleagues, and she's taken a sick leave. She's saying that she's sick, but actually she's not sick. She's not going to the office. Yeah, she's telling her friends that she's sick, and she's in Cologne. And I'm doing home office today, I've told my boss that I'm doing home office, but I'm in Nice. Nobody knows this except these guys here. So she's given her sick leave. I'm doing my home office, and this is what we are doing, guys. So yeah.
लक्ष्मी ने भी मुझे फोन किया था मुझे तो लगा पुनीत ने बोल रहे उसे फोन करने के लिए पास पैडल बॉल कुछ ऐसे ही बस के पास
और रिकॉर्ड
हाँ चलो
पैडल बॉल पैदा होने वाला बॉल
Hey guys, what's up? We are in Nice. We are taking a walk around Nice, and my friend Dave is helping me with the cameras. So it's going to be an amazing time in France. I'm doing home office today, guys. Home office. This is my home office. Hello. Yeah. So feeling really good in Nice. See you guys. Hi guys, we are just arriving at the Nice beaches, and that's how it looks like. The beach is there, and yeah, so it's beautiful. Let's go and see how the beach in Nice looks like. Hi guys, I am in Nice, and these are the waters, this is the beach here, and that's the city in Nice, and as you can see the view behind me, the beautiful palm trees here, and right now I'm gonna go inside the water, and let's see how it is. Whoa. This is how it is, the water. This is how it is, guys. The water feels really good. The water is really cold, and oh shit! My pant is already wet, and yeah, it's beautiful here in Nice. Feels good. The water is on my leg, and yeah.